Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Chaudhry. We're here in Paris for Pharmapack 2024. It's the morning of day 2 and I'm delighted to join by Classen from Sana Group and Tom Oakley from Springboard, who are going to tell us a bit more about their companies and why they're here. So first of all, Christian, how was yesterday?
Good morning. First, welcome here at the Sana Group booth. Yesterday was a great day. We had the first really visitors coming directly when it opened and a full booth during the whole day. So great conversations.
Fantastic. Now, my first question to you really is, who are Sana Group and who are Springboard? Perhaps, Christian, you'd like to start?
Yeah, sure. So Sana Group was founded in 1894 and we have our headquarters in Bensheim, Germany, close to Frankfurt. We have our manufacturing facilities in Germany, in Hungary, France, and in China. And we have transformed over the years from a market leader in desiccant packaging and in effervescent tablet packaging to a full service provider now offering complete range of services in the field of medical development, medical technology, diagnostics, and also pharmaceutical and consumer.
Fantastic. And Tom, do you want to tell me about Springboard and actually what's the relationship with yourselves and Sana Group?
Yes, absolutely. So Springboard's got a strong track record over more than a decade of designing and developing devices, which are both medical devices but also combination products. So those design skills come in two different ways, either designing and developing a device from scratch all the way through to manufacture, or solving the technical problems that happen during development that inevitably come up in many projects. The relationship with Sana is that we're delighted to say that we have now joined forces, and so Sana has an excellent track record in manufacturing, Springboard has an excellent track record in design and development, and by bringing them together, we have a next generation contract design and manufacturing organisation.
Fantastic. Now, this week, what are you specifically showcasing and talking to visitors about in Paris?
So let's take a look on the left-hand side. Here you can see a snapshot of our broad range of product solutions in the pharma packaging and in the moisture control. We also show with new solutions in bio-based products. On the other side, you can see when we move on here on the left-hand side, the complete range of our CDMO offerings, starting on the left from concept, design, running through design development, prototyping, where Sana has some quite innovative solutions to quickly serve our customers with products with a raw material, and then running through industrialization, commercialization phase, and lifecycle management. Now, with the recent announcement of the acquisition of Springboard in the UK, their capabilities will boost our offering, especially in drug delivery device development, diagnostic device, biotech, and even diagnostic. So I can over to Tom that he can go a bit more specific.
Yeah, sure. So it's like, Tom, what are you specifically talking to people about?
Yes, so with regards to the work that Springboard performs, it's all around the design and development of a device and making sure it's patient-centric and sustainable, because both of those subjects are extremely important and no new development is going to be successful without those. And one of the things that we bring that many other companies will find a little bit more tricky is the engineering science, because when developing a device, there are many issues that come up, and often you only want to solve them once. So that's the way to maximize the speed to market, because in many of these devices, medical devices and combination products, there are many other parts of the business that depend on the design and development being on time and successful to reliable quality. So that's what we bring. And the relationship with Sana, we can also transfer to manufacture. If the manufacturer is going to be Sana, then that we can do that seamlessly. So, for example, we're one of the few companies which can 3D print ceramic tooling, which means you can then injection mold tools, you can injection mold plastic parts within 1 week. And that is something which we can use to accelerate our projects and get real parts very quickly.
Fantastic. Now, I'm going to ask you one final question, and I think, Tom, you partly answered it in relation to Springboard in your answer there. But Why should people work with you, and what makes what you do unique?
Yeah, beside our long-term expertise in injection molding and clever assembly automation concepts, I think what we hear from our customers is that we are seen as a smart, reliable, and very agile organization. And why that? I mean, we are about 650 people currently around the globe at the different facilities. We carefully listen to our customers and their specific requirements for new product solutions, and we act fast. I think that's a differentiator. But as Tom mentioned, also we are quite interested in new innovative solutions, like the prototyping he explained. We also make use of virtual software for modeling concept for automation early on, before we even turned it into reality. So we optimize the process flow to have a really robust and also a very competitive setup to produce goods for our clients.
Fantastic. Tom, do you have anything to add? I think you covered most of it in your little explanation, but is there anything else you want to add to that?
I'm sorry, I didn't quite hear.
I was going to say, is there anything else you'd like to add to what Christian said?
I would just like to add that with this new relationship, it's proving very popular with the companies that are here at Pharmapack. So we've had a good series of meetings. We look forward to meeting many of our old friends and many colleagues from many projects before, but in this new setup, which can serve their needs much better.
Fantastic. Well, look, gentlemen, sorry, do you want to say something to us? Sorry.
I would just like to add one thing, and as I've worked for various companies beforehand, even bigger size, 10 times bigger than Sana is today, I think what I can also really say is that we are more to be seen as a speedboat, just by the way we can act and can react, which is quite important in the development of new projects, of new devices. So it's not a speedboat character and not a container ship style. So that's where I think we can make a difference too.
Fantastic. Well, gentlemen, thank you very much. I wish you a fantastic last day here at Pharmapack. So there you go, viewers. If this video gets out in time and you see it today, then come to stand B87 and talk to the team here at Sana Group and Springboard. If you can't make it or you've seen this after the show, check out the link above the video for the website, and you can follow them on LinkedIn as well. So, gentlemen, once again, thank you for your time. Have a great last day. And viewers, thank you for watching. Until next time, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Thank you.